Hello viewers. Welcome to Aharika's kitchen. Today I would love to share crispy mutton fry with you guys. Firstly, pre-cook mutton intestines and keep aside. Then take a deep pan and heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Once oil is heated, transfer the pre-cooked meat and stir fry. You will observe mutton stock being released. Fry on high flame until water evaporates fully. After few minutes, meat turns to be frying to crisp. Fry until you get desired consistency. Also be careful as it pops sometimes. Now add ginger garlic paste and dry spices. Cook for another 1 minute and turn off the flame. Super delicious mutton boti fry is ready to eat. You can enjoy this as snack or with meals. Like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.